Introduction to digestion.
Digestion is the process by which our bodies break down food into nutrients that can be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. Let's follow the path food takes from the moment it enters your mouth until it's absorbed into your bloodstream.
Eating and chewing, the start of digestion.
Digestion begins in your mouth. Teeth break food into smaller pieces while saliva, containing enzymes, starts breaking down carbohydrates. Swallowing moves the softened food down the esophagus through rhythmic contractions known as peristalsis toward the stomach.
The stomach, mixing and breaking down.
In the stomach, food mixes with gastric juices containing acid and enzymes. These substances further break down proteins, turning the food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach's muscles churn the chyme, preparing it for the next phase of digestion.
The small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed.
Chyme enters the small intestine, where most digestion and absorption occur. Enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver help break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Tiny finger-like projections called villi line the intestine, increasing surface area to absorb nutrients into the bloodstream.
Final steps, the large intestine and waste removal.
Any undigested food moves to the large intestine, where water and some minerals are absorbed. Beneficial bacteria help break down remaining materials. What's left becomes waste, which is eliminated from the body during a bowel movement, completing the digestive process.